Hello everyone. So what we have here is a 2013 Audi S8 that we purchased from Copart. So this is a V8 twin turbo Audi, very quick, lots of horsepower. So basically what happened to this vehicle is it was rear-ended. So as you can see, we've got the rear bumper cover, rear bumper reinforcement, all of that stuff taken apart. For right now, this exhaust is just kind of hanging. But these are the parts that were broken on it. So we've got the rear bumper reinforcement, as you guys can see, nice and bent. So this needs to get replaced. And then this is the upper bumper cover for the rear. So this vehicle has two parts to the rear bumper cover, upper and lower. So this is the lower, as you can see, it's not much left of it. And then this is the upper. We tried to fix this upper, but we got a good deal on those bumper covers over there. So this is just gonna get replaced, which is probably a better call at the end. But yeah, so these are the parts that were broken on the vehicle, and then these are the replacement parts. So we got the upper bumper cover over here, and then the lower bumper cover is right here. Now, this lower bumper cover is actually off of an A8, not an S8. So basically the difference is the exhaust tips. We did just kind of try retrofitting it onto these exhaust tips, I'm sorry. And it seems to fit quite well. But here, I'll just kind of show you here in a little bit. But the exhaust tips do fit into the lower bumper cover. So we'll see how that goes. But the upper bumper cover is the same as the S8. So in case anybody's doing the same build, the uppers are the same. And then right over here, we've got the bumper reinforcement. So these are all used parts. Got a pretty good deal on them. So we're gonna start assembling them onto the vehicle, and we'll see how it goes. Now, as you can see, the reinforcement is quite bent, so we'll have to see, hopefully we don't need to do any pulling on the vehicle. It doesn't seem like we do because all the panel gaps are nice and even. Now, if this was a frame bent or anything like that, these panel gaps would all be out of whack, but you'll follow along with us. So if the rear bumper reinforcement bolts up correctly, we know that the frame is good. All right, stay tuned.